Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper Trader back here with another video today. And today we're going back to the basics for everyone who is new to the Robinhood app. And in today's video, we'll be showing you guys exactly how to buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. So without further ado, we'll get started. But before we do, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I'd really appreciate it a ton. Alright guys, so getting into it, Robinhood is one of the most innovative investing apps. I'm pretty sure that it was the first investing app that allowed people to start trading stocks with $0 in commission, and that is how it gained its popularity. And with that said, you are able to simply use the app in order to buy and sell stocks, and it's mostly tailored towards more of the millennial side of their target market. So let's just get started with trying to buy and sell stocks. So for example, let's say you love the stock Apple and you really want to buy a share. I own a share personally. I'm up around 57% on it, so it's been growing pretty well in the past year. If you were wanting to buy an Apple share, what you would do is go to the trade button, click buy, because there's two buttons, buy and sell, depending on whether you have a stock of it already or not. And what you would simply do is just type in the amount of shares you want to buy. You want to buy one share, you just type in one. You want two, you want to buy 100 shares, it's all up to you. And then what you do once you set the amount of shares you want to buy, I would highly recommend setting limit orders, which you click on the top right corner. If you guys can see that, click on the top right corner and it'll take you to the different types of orders you can do. Soon you will be able to actually buy fractional shares, meaning you don't have to buy a whole stock of, let's say, Apple, Amazon, whatever stock you want to buy. But here you could set a different type of order. So with market orders, it's sometimes different because with market orders, you don't always get the best price possible when buying a stock. So that's why I would recommend, let's say right now the price of Apple is exactly $325. You would click on market order and you just want to buy the stock at that exact price. What you would do is just type in $325 and then click that green arrow. You would click on whether you want to buy in extended hours or market hours. And what market hours are is basically between 9:30 and 4 p.m. EST, and extended hours is from 8 or from 9, no, my bad. Yeah, from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. EST, if I'm correct. And depending on whether you want to buy pre-market and aftermarket, I would usually choose the option that says extended hours because it includes the actual market hours, but you can also go into the pre-market and aftermarket hours. So it doesn't hurt to choose that one. And then you would click the green arrow. And of course, I do not have enough capital to buy the stock, but what you would do is simply click that arrow. So I'm going to show you guys on a different stock. Let's say you want to buy some ARR here. You would do the same thing, buy, type in the amount of shares you want, limit order, and we want to buy the stock at exactly $20.32. What you would do, click that arrow, extended hours, 5 p.m., and click that green arrow, and all you would have to do to submit the order is just swipe up, let go, and the order will be placed for you. So whenever the stock hits that price that you set the limit for, you will get at the amount of shares that you ordered into your portfolio, and it'll start showing up on your watch list. On your just overall stock section of your home screen on Robinhood. So that is how it looks like. Just an example of my portfolio right here, holding a few dividend stocks, a few growth stocks, just having some nice overall growth for last week and the last month. But yeah, that's basically how you buy stocks on Robinhood. But now we're going to go into how to sell stocks on Robinhood, which is also pretty simple. So for example, I have the stock of Apple right here. I have one share. What we would want to do if we were wanting to sell a stock of Robinhood, we would click the trade button, click sell, and then from here, you would type in the amount of shares that you would like to sell. And I currently only have one share of Apple, so I would just click 1. And here also you can do a limit order or a market order. And a limit order when you're selling means that you only allow Robinhood to sell the stock that you have at a certain price you put. So let's say you put at, I want to sell the stock at $328, so $3 above the price right now. Robinhood can only sell that stock when it's at that price, meaning you can't sell it for under the actual value of what you put. So let's say I think Apple's going to go up maybe $3 by Tuesday market open. I'm going to click this, extended hours, or you could do market hours, it's your choice. And then you click the green arrow and swipe up to place your order. And so exactly when the stock rises over that price that you set, Robinhood would automatically sell your stock and you would have the cash in your account. And the stock you were holding would be gone. So yeah, that is how you simply buy and sell stocks on Robinhood. Robinhood is a pretty simple app to use, and I highly recommend it for any beginner trying to start out with investing. But if you guys are interested in starting from scratch on Robinhood, I do have a referral code, so check the link in the description. When you use my referral code, you get a free stock whenever you join. It could be a stock of Apple or Microsoft, it's basically free money, and I also receive a free stock, so it's a benefit for both. So yeah, that'll be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.